Assalamu alaikum, guys. This is the old-fashioned, very old antique washing machine for clothes. I'm going to show you today how, and it's working. You see, there's water inside. I'm going to show you today how to do it from recycled stuff. I have here a box. This is for baking powder, and this is a can, soft drink can. I'll take this part, and this is for butter or for cheese. This is cotton for cleaning the ears. Okay, I will remove that part, and this is straw. I have the straw which is like that, and this is some screw metal thing, and this is a couple of metal stuff. You can use any useful things you have, look like that. And this is an old iPad phone. Sorry, this is an old speaker headphones. Let's go and see what we are going to do with these things. Now, first I'm gonna make a hole here, and to check the size, I make this hole a little bit, one small and one big. One for the wire, electricity. Say hi. Say hi, Punda. She always here when I'm working. I spray it in white, and I cut this part. Be careful, sometimes it's very sharp. And when it's like that, I make a hole on top, because there I'm going to put the holder for the lid. I make a hole, and here I'll just make it straight as much as I can, and I flattening it more using this tool. Okay, I'll spray it white as well, and both of them, after I spray them 2-3 layers, it become like that. Okay, now I have this pin black. I'll just cut the top, and I will glue it. Now this is a container for the hairspray. I just spray it white, and this is the butter container or the cheese. I'll try to open a window here. I'm not gonna cut it till the edge. I just will cut some small window, and I have these 2 straws. I'll cut 2 equal pieces. They are empty from inside. Okay, now I'll try to make them here fit. I'll glue them, but I will not make them close to each other much. I'll just leave some gap, because this gap they are using it in putting the clothes as a dryer. I put the ear pads, the cotton ear things on the sides, and I will cut here the headphones wire. Okay, I colored this with the nail polish black. It's nice, shiny, and dry quickly. And now almost most of the parts are ready, so now it's time to collect them. This is going to be like this. I put the pen on top. Okay, I sealed it more inside by using the glue gun. Then I can spray it black again. I put here the wire, and I leave it for some time to dry. I'm using silicone glue here. You can use PVA glue, yeah. I put this now, and I need to put something on the other side to hold it. This is a small plastic thing. I have it, and I feel it's like, but you can have any hook. Sometimes they have we have this kind of hook for the clothes, metal one, so you can put it to hold the wire here, the straw. Put the cover, and I put the switch. It used to be like really everything is manual and no digital numbers or anything. I print sticker from the internet, and I glue it. This washing machine brand was Ideal. It was a very old one. Makes noise. I'll make a hole here because I want to put a LED monitor light red. So I take a pen, I dip it here in the glass color red, so it will be like transparent and shiny. And this is the cover of the, see here, the cover of the hair color bottles. I glue it in the center with a glue gun. That's after I spray it. I put the lid. I hook this here and I glue this on the edge. Now it's finished, it's dried, so let's put it. Now I take this wire, it's a little bit hard because I want to make the hand, because this is manually operated. For the dryer is manually operated here. I spray it silver, then I will put it here. Yes. So cute, I like it. And that's the one. I hope you like it. Write for me in the comments. If you like me to do something else, you just give me some ideas. Subscribe to my channel if you like my work. And that's it. If you do it, please mention to me. I really like to see your work. MashaAllah say. Thanks for watching. If you really like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and turn the notification bell. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.